Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. The reason is it's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you right to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also in that area there is a thumbs up button. I'm mentioning it now at the beginning of my videos because I always seem to forget, and it is important on the YouTube platform. I appreciate so much that you guys watch and you comment, but that little thumbs up means a lot on the YouTube platform. So if you can do that for me, it's found right underneath the video. You press it, it turns blue, the number goes up. YouTube sees this, and then they'll put my video in front of others that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. All right, so I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. Thumbs up. Okay, today I am ready to share with you, I cannot believe it, the Fabfitfun for fall. I got notification, it was supposed to be a week from now, and it arrived unexpectedly. You know, I love the fact that we get tracking. However, when the tracking is so off, it doesn't give us time to prepare and to know what's going on. So I'm going to be looking down at the magazine. I had to circle what items I received versus, you know, what I remembered choosing, because as you know, we do that together. I share with you what the choices are and what I'm choosing and things like that. So that video has been done, but it was done a while back. Plus there's 3 items. I get to choose 5 because I'm an annual, which I'll go through in a sec. And then there's 3 other items that they choose to put in the box. There's a group that they choose from, and the only time you know about it is when you get the magazine, which I have now. So I really didn't go through a lot of it. I just literally circled the items that, so I can have the information and the value. And I cannot believe the prices on some of these items. They're a little out there. And the box total is around $600, and I pay about $45 for it or so. When you pay up front, you get a bit of a discount because normally the boxes are $49.99. We all have coupons. Usually, if you're part of Fabfitfun, they then, just a regular subscriber, they give you these links. And so if you look down in the bottom of my description box, there is a link. So if you want to subscribe, there will be a discount. Usually it's around 20% or so. If you hit that and all the information's there, you'll read it in the description box. Like I said, scroll all the way down. When I get my links, everything is down there. If I can help in any which way where discounts are involved, that's what I'm here for. All right, so let's go through this quickly so that we can see what we got. There is a card right at the top of the box. As you know, I open up my box prior to take everything out, make sure everything is in the box, it isn't damaged. We take a picture for Instagram and I lay it out on the table, and I try to take off as much packaging as I can so that we're not sitting here on the camera struggling. So here we go. I don't even know if I mentioned. So I'm annual, so I get to choose 5 items. You could be what I think it's called seasonal, and then you get to choose 3 items, but you don't have to pay upfront for the whole year. That's why I do it for the whole year. The Fabfitfun box, for me personally, I get excited because of all the hype around it, and it is truly the FOMO that hits me. And then when I get the box, I open it up and I'm not like, I'm underwhelmed is an easy way to say it. However, when I get to use the products later on, it already brings me back up, and then I'm excited for the next box. So what I'm saying is, I didn't find the choices to be hard to choose from. I did add on 1 item for $10 simply because the price was so out there. It was like an over $100 item for 10 bucks. I figured I'd give it a shot, and that's what I did. So I'll share that with you guys in here as well. So this is the Fabfitfun card. They're saying in an effort to be more environmentally conscious, they're recycling past boxes to ship out purchases, including add-ons, edits, and so on and so forth. To me, the box just looked a lot smaller, but it didn't look like, you know, anything recycled or anything. I thought it was really pretty. The boxes used to be stunning and they used to be big. I use it to store a lot of my stuff. This one, not so much. So that's what everything here, recycling this box and turned it into a fun DIY. And that's it. And then they have, you can check out inspiration on Fabfitfun. There's a card here for a coupon for wine. And then now they're back to HelloFresh, which I think last time they didn't do HelloFresh. They did a different company. Everyone thought it was HelloFresh because it looked so similar, but it wasn't. This is 10 free meals. At one point, I'm going to try that. I just have to convince some other people that it's something we got to try. All right, so this here is the Fabfitfun Magazine. It's not a glossy one anymore. It feels more like a newsprint. It has fantastic articles in here. When you're part of Fabfitfun, they have communities, they have a TV, they have recipes, they have all that stuff. I have not dived into that. I know there's a lot of girls on YouTube that are very Fabfitfun. They do edit sales and all that stuff. I don't. I just literally do the boxes 4 times a year. Fabfitfun for me is an overwhelming box. The choices are just way too many. I'm very much a type A personality where everything has to be a certain way. I have to, you know what I'm doing, what my day's all about. And when there's too many choices, I find it for myself, that's why we named the channel True Wants, is I get overwhelmed. I want everything. And then I have to sit down and I have to ask myself, do I really need that? So it is True Wants for a reason. And like I said, let's just go through everything here and then we'll take it from there. So what's in my box? They're saying the first item that I picked, I don't even know where I put it. Oh, here it is. Like I said, the choices for me just were not that crazy. And if you know, I'm in business with my brother. We had a completely different business before. It was imported and distributed. We created lines, but it was a completely different industry. When we moved to the States, my brother's very entrepreneurial and we have a lot of connections in a lot of industries. And so we're doing a lot with right now leather goods and some vegan, some stuff. Anyways, long story short, the prices that people are saying things are in the retail world, as you know, if you shop on improvinglifestyles.com, we're giving you the prices that we would sell to a store and then sell to a wholesaler versus the wholesaler then sells to the store and then the store sells to us. So the prices that are on this are just like really out there. I think there's a little bit of leather in here, but the rest is a nylon material. The brand is called Botkier. It's a New York triggered backpack. They're saying this is a multi-functional backpack. It holds all the essentials in style. They're saying some shipping restrictions may apply, which I don't understand why, but this they're saying is $100 value. And that's what it looks like. I would go on improvinglifestyles.com. We have a full leather backpack for a lot less. That should be a lot more, but that's where I would check for that if you're interested in a backpack. All right, the next item, and I'll leave the Improving Lifestyles website right in the description box, so if you want to hit the link, you can. The next item that we have is from Dr. Dennis Gris. And this is a brand that I've used and I've enjoyed. I got introduced to him through I think QVC. I liked his products. I used a lot of his pads. So when this was an option, I decided to take it. But like I said, the options for me were like what to choose versus what should I, add on. It was like that for me. So this Dennis Gris skincare is a beta pore perfecting and refining serum. The ingredients, he says, are all in here that will dissolve waxy buildup and flush away impurities. This is a $65 value. And if you're hearing some sound effects in the background, there's major storms. I live in Florida and the storms have been very loud. So this is what the product looks like here. It's a dropper type of serum. It looks like this. There is no real scent to it. Excited to have an opportunity with Dr. Gris. That's the one that I was most excited to get. These are the ones that took me for a bit of a loop. Never heard of this brand. It's called Jenny Bird. It says, meet your new favorite Julie brand. They have caring instructions, remove before swimming, bathing, or showering, and all that. So these were pretty up there. They came in a little pouch, and it was all these different bracelets tied up into one. I love fashion jewelry. If you watch my channel, you know. I love fashion jewelry, I love scarves, I love makeup, I love bath care, like everything like that. So this here, they're saying, is a mix of classic and modern chains. The cuff is for the lady who loves a good stack, and they're saying this is $135. The next one was the one that I added on for $10, and they're saying this is $115. It is a pendant necklace. That's the cute little hanging pendant there. It's got a couple of chains. That's the clasp on here where you can, make it longer or shorter. And this one, they're saying it is hand-formed drop, delicately hangs on a stamped, high-polished curb chain, and it's layered with a box chain, $115. All right, the next item that we have is from the brand called Feel, which I've had the opportunity to try a couple of their products, and I really have been enjoying them. This one is a pumpkin walnut facial cleanser, and it is called Renewed. And this one is a $28 value. It's saying it's pumpkin infused the skin with AHA's zinc, vitamin A and C, and a walnut powder that will gently exfoliate to reveal a fresh glow. I was a little nervous about this one simply because they said it's a walnut powdered. It's completely sealed. So I'll see if I can smell something, but I'm sure, yeah, it smells like pumpkin spice. So that's what it looks like here, but it has that seal on it. And usually, let me see if I can take it off. Yeah, okay. So I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand so we could see how rough the walnuts in here are. It's funny, when we were younger, walnut scrubs were all the rage, and then later on they realized that that it could tear your outer skin layer, and you learn so much, and technology has advanced skincare so much now. It's really nice. You're gonna have no problem. It's very, very minor. Beautiful, beautiful. The next item that we have is a hair oil, and this one was in a really weird category. It had like items that were worth like, I don't know, $5 or $10, and then this was a $75 value. So when I couldn't choose what, I decided to choose the most expensive because I didn't know what else to do. And this one is called Likwid RX. It's a stress reliever, 100% natural hair oil. Give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. They're saying this bottle, $75. So either I'm a really good shopper, or this is a world that I just don't understand, these values that are in here. But like I said, there's a market for this, and I'm sure these sell in the retail world like that, but probably in very, very high-end places. But it smells nice. It smells like oils. That's there, so happy to have it. We'll definitely try it. The next item are the 3 items that they chose for us. And this is the array of choices. I think that they could have had any one of these 3 they choose, and those are all the choices that are there. There was one that I heard about and I was excited to try, and it was in my bag because I really don't know much about it, but I've seen a few people that I watch and I enjoy that they like this brand called the Laundress. And this is a crease release, and they're saying it's a classic and it removes wrinkles. And to me, this is something that I know I would use if I had, the reason to. So this is something that I think would be nice to have in my arsenal. And this is only a $16 value. And what they wrote on here was it easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when our ironing isn't an option. So happy that that was chosen for me. The next item, it was a choice of 2, and I was hoping for the other one, but this is what I got, because the other one was exactly the same thing, but the scent was a pumpkin spice room spray. This one is called, I don't know what, Santal Noir or something like that, and it says, supposedly it is a stone candles room spray, and if you spritz your room with a musky blend of sandalwood and cardamom, which I don't know what that smells like, and that's $36. I know sandalwood. The other one would have been, I think, what did I tell you guys? Pumpkin spice which would have been a blend of pumpkin, cinnamon, and vanilla, which is what I would have liked, especially for a fall box. I don't know why there was an option, because I would have liked something pumpkin in the box. Yeah, that's not for me. All right, the next one is this one here. And this one is the Beauty Papier or Paper or Papier Golden Superfood Shower Gel. It is a scrumptious shower gel. It's made with a blend of golden superfood ingredients. They're saying this is a $30 value. This is a shower gel, so it has a top that you can open like that, you know, so you can keep it and just use the right amount. But the scent on this also, I'm not crazy about, but I will use this in the bathtub and see if, you know, there's anything fantastic that it will do. But it's an antioxidant shower gel, but it's supposed to have pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. For some reason, these scents are not, you know, hitting me like, wow, I can't wait to, you know, enjoy them. And that's everything that I got in my Fabfitfun box. Like I said, for me, somehow, the Fabfitfun, the Cause box, those boxes, for me, are not ones that I get overly excited about. Usually there's at least 1 or 2 items that I cannot wait to try. This month, not so much. But this is the, you know, when you end up signing up ahead of time for subscription boxes, sometimes that happens. But like I said, sometimes after I use it, I change my mind, and then I usually try to come on camera and share with you guys if I've been pleasantly surprised, which is how I felt about the Kylie foaming cleanser versus the Elemis. So if you haven't seen that, I'll try to link that one down below, because that one took me for a surprise as well. So everybody, that's my Fabfitfun for the fall of 2020. I'm shocked that I got this so early. So hopefully you will see a lot of people, and maybe they chose other things, so we'll be able to see that maybe my choices weren't as good as they should have been, and I'll know for next time, or I'll be able to then look at some of those edit sales and see if there's some things that, because the values are there based on these, which I think are inflated retails. So it always looks like you're getting such a great deal on the edit sales based on the retail values. So that's, I think, what pulls me in all the time, and they advertise so much. But like I said, I definitely got at least my, you know, $45 value, and that's how I look at everything. So that's it for today. All right. Once again, everybody, I appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me. And right now, during this time, what's really, truly important is that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.